This Century 21 Dean Gilbert Realtors property video is presented by Clay Gilbert. Duplex with easy access to Highway 75 and all of the Sherman, you'll never have to drive more than a few minutes. The kitchen has plenty of storage and granite counters. The main bedroom features a private ensuite bath and a laundry closet in the hallway. Duplex has a fenced-in yard with outside storage closet. You'll love calling this place home. For more information, review the details below or contact Clay Gilbert at 903-893-5188.